How's it going today, folks? I'm Zach from Dean Stove & Spa, and I'm going to be telling you guys today about the Apex series of fireplaces by Fireplace Extraordinaire. Now, the Fireplace Extraordinaire series of fireplaces is manufactured by Travis Industries out of Washington State, the leading hearth product manufacturer since 1979. The Apex and Apex Clean Face fireplaces by Fireplace Extraordinaire are both zero clearance fireplaces, which means they can be used in a variety of different scenarios, whether it be new or existing construction in your home. Now, a zero clearance fireplace is a little different than your typical fireplace insert. These are built to go into your 2x4 framing of your wall. These are built to go where there is no currently existing fireplace. Now, the Apex and the Apex Clean Face are both 49,000 BTU units. They can take up to a 24-inch log, have 3.5 cubic foot fireboxes, and can heat an entire 2,500 square foot home for up to 12 hours unattended. Now, both of our Apex fireplaces use a 400 cubic foot per minute convection blower, pulling air in through the bottom of the unit and sending it out through the top, whether it be through the attached duct on the traditional unit or our separated adjustable duct on the Clean Face version. One thing that sets the Apexes apart from Fireplace Extraordinaire's Elite series of fireplaces is the optional addition of the GreenStart automatic start feature. GreenStart is an electronically controlled 1400 degree compressor driven igniter that allows you to start your fireplace with the press of a button. No kindling, no newspaper, no fire starters required. Now, the Apex's conveniently located wall mount display allows you to easily monitor your catalyst temperature as well as control the blower on the unit, whether it be all the way off, low, or cranked high. So now we're sitting next to the faced version of our 42 Apex as opposed to the Clean Face version. This edition actually has interchangeable faceplates, which allows you to kind of alter the look of the fireplace based on where it's going. Our conveniently located damper bypass gives us a multitude of benefits. It allows us to achieve a relatively smokeless reload of the firebox, as well as establish a draft a lot faster when we're getting fire going. Now, down here we have our air control, which actually allows us to alter the way the fireplace is burning. With my control pushed over to the right here, we're engaging our high burn. You're running through your wood a little faster, but you're getting that firebox up to a much higher temperature. When I push this control to the left, as you can see, it is almost muffling the fire of any air whatsoever. And this is actually not only going to extend our burn time, but engage a reburn, which is going to keep that smoke coming out of the fire much cleaner and trap more heat into the firebox. Thanks for watching, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed learning about the Apex series of fireplaces. Come on down to our Plantsville House of Fire to see either one, whether it be the Clean Face or the traditional version, in action today.